LG just announced that it's completely exiting the solar panel business. What does this mean for your solar project and the industry at large? We're going to be answering that question and much more in today's video. Hi everyone, Joe Ordia here for Solar Surge, and for the past 9 years I've been helping families achieve energy independence using clean, renewable energy. Now here on the Solar Surge channel, if you're new to the channel, we talk about all things related to home renewable energy systems, whether it be solar panels, different battery backup systems, load management systems, and sometimes even generator backup systems as well. Now in today's video we're talking about LG's recent announcement that they're going to be completely exiting the solar panel manufacturing business. And this is big news, guys, because LG, as of this recording, or at least let's say using previous year's numbers, LG was the #2 largest residential solar panel manufacturer here in the United States. They had even invested in bringing their solar panel manufacturing operation onshore at their Huntsville, Alabama manufacturing plant. Now, the other thing that makes this particularly disappointing for many of us who are following it is that, in my opinion, LG has some of the best solar panels available out there, right up there rivaling SunPower for the super premium panels. And so if you may recall our previous video of the top 5 solar panels going into 2022, I had actually rated the LG Neon R and the Neon R Prime as the #1 top solar panel going into 2022. However, now that LG is not primarily engaged in the solar panel manufacturing business, I'm reluctant to recommend that as my #1 preferred panel, simply because the lower that solar and the solar reputation for LG is a priority for the company, I think the less incentive that they have to really make sure that they're going to be on the spot in terms of any warranty claims that might come up down the road. Now, if you read the official press release, LG claims that it does intend to continue servicing the limited warranty. And again, if you'll recall from some of the previous videos, LG has one of the best, if not the best, solar panel warranty available in the industry. And so they are claiming that they have plans right now to continue servicing the limited warranty. However, I feel more comfortable going forward for my clients recommending solar panels from a manufacturer where solar panel manufacturing is a primary business activity. And so I'm talking about companies like Hanwha Q-Cells, companies like REC, companies like Silfab, companies that are top solar panel manufacturers where that solar panel manufacturing is the primary business activity. Now folks, if you've been in the process of getting solar power quotes for your home or maybe looking at different panel options, if you need to get a comparison option to the LG or just check what the updated pricing is, as always, feel free to reach out to us on the link below there. That way you can chat with one of our team members here and if need be, price out a couple of different solar panel options to see what might be available. Now LG also mentions in their press release that increasing supply costs and supply chain disruptions played into their decision to leave the solar panel manufacturing business. And I can tell you folks, these supply cost increases and supply chain disruptions have affected us in the industry. I think where we've seen it most in the past 12 months has been in the battery availability. And certain battery products, depending on when you place your order, we were seeing backlogs going anywhere from 3 months up to 8 months for certain battery products. Although the solar panels themselves, in my experience, the solar panels themselves have been very available, as have the inverters, whether it's Enphase microinverters or the SolarEdge optimizer inverter system. We've seen those have been very available. It's really the batteries where we've seen the delay. And that actually brings me to another point, which is that for some solar panels, we are still offering the 2021 pricing. I know I've been saying this a lot, that prices are going up, and I know you've probably seen a lot of salespeople talk about how, you have to buy now because prices are going up. But I can tell you guys, legitimately, prices are going up. I still have 2 brands of solar panels that I can offer at last year's price. Once those are out, then it's just going to be a whole new price set that's published for 2022. But if this is something where you've been looking at this for a while, and you can kind of see the writing on the wall in terms of, prices of materials are going up, price of energy is going up, not to mention what's going on in Europe right now, which is also helping energy prices to come up even higher, which will eventually trickle through to many of your electric bills if your electricity is provided from natural gas power plants. But anyway, if this is something that you've been considering for a while and you think, hey, now's probably the time to lock in pricing and get the process started, as always, feel free to reach out to us on the link below there. Just chat with one of our team members here, tell us exactly what you're looking for, exactly what your goals are. And if there's a particular brand of solar panel that you're looking for, just let us know that on the initial call, and then we can go and put some packages together for you. Well, folks, as always, if you're getting good value from the Solar Surge channel, please be sure to click on the thumbs up button. Again, that really helps, guys, just to help with visibility and making these videos more available to a wider audience. And then, of course, as always, consider subscribing to the channel. If you're in the process of evaluating solar options for your home, or maybe you're a solar professional out there that just wants to kind of keep on top of the latest developments and the industry trends, then again, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. We're trying to get 2 to 3 new videos out for you guys every week. Well, thanks again for spending some time with us today. As always, I'm Joe Ordia, encouraging you to get prepared and be empowered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.